Welcome to Cairo, Egypt. Hopefully we're gonna get a negative result from the COVID test. Then tonight we're gonna fly to Ethiopia, and tomorrow morning hopefully we're gonna walk from the airport to the hotel. Hello. The only place where you wear a mask in Egypt is on the Uber. Have a good day. Oh. Thank you. This one is a huge hospital. This one is part of the hospital. Let's go get the results.
Eventually.
Here is the result and it's negative. We are approved to fly. I just met this guy and he's a fan of Juventus. Come on.
Yeah. No, I like Roma. I like Francesco Totti. I like De Rossi. I like all Italian. My mother from Italy, from Torino.
Okay.
This is not really. I am joking. Now with my friend Mikhail.
Okay, shukran.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
nice
you
to
again.
meet you.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Finished so quickly. Wow. What a place to get the vaccine. What a place. Finally we officially have the yellow. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
This is the thing he told me. Thank you. Have a good day. Yes, yes. Okay, shukran. We are back in town. It's time to go back. What a journey in Egypt. For sure I will be back. We are leaving the room. Thank you, Taha.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Rebecca. And here we have some clothes to give away, some medicine. Because I do not have space in my bag, so
It's okay.
everything for charity. Wow, yalla. Thank you, Taha. See you. Oh, oh, it's shukran.
Bye, Gail. Very nice to meet you.
Someday we'll meet again.
You sure?
In Israel.
In Israel. You get emotional, really.
Oh, don't get emotional. You're on camera. We'll meet again for sure.
Yeah, but I will get emotional. I don't like goodbyes. But yes.
Push, push.
Oh my God. You're leaving. Are you sure?
Not
You
really.
don't want to cancel your flight?
I should be doing that, but
You really should. You're getting famous in Egypt.
I'm not famous. Leaving Egypt could be the biggest mistake of my life,
It is definitely.
but I got a risk it. Oh, here you go. Last time that happens.
Hi, Hashim.
I'm really, wait a second. I'm really sorry that you got the fine because of me. How much is the fine?
I don't know.
Confess.
I didn't pay it. He just documented. And why you're documenting me now?
I have this book for your bro.
Criminal.
Your bro is gonna like it. I'm not a huge fan of
Surrounded by
it.
idiots.
Life, it's incredible. Ooh. Oh, it's even cold at the airport.
Cancel your flight.
And it's been very massive journey so far.
I'm not seeing my mother for 6 months. What do we do?
Usually I like to end this very quickly, you know?
keep the camera. Isham, thanks for everything. I'll never forget it, really. I'm serious.
Take care of yourself, man.
See you soon, hopefully.
Wait,
Where-
I will take it. To the end.
You know you can open the...
No, I could not leave the car like that.
Yeah. No, be quick. You cannot leave. They cannot leave the car. It's okay.
But 5 minutes you can't leave the car. They are all leaving the car. Come on, just close the door.
He will get another fine.
Yeah, ready to take one. No, but if you want to join him, tell I could wait.
You wait,
Yeah, that's
but don't leave me here.
for sure.
See you soon, Isham.
Ciao.
Ciao.
You can still cancel it. Think about it.
I cannot.
Oh.
I need to be respectful to my future Ethiopian subscriber. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you're from Ethiopia.
What about Egypt? What about the Egyptian
I
subscribers?
mean, there is a kind of a problem between the two countries. I love both. Hopefully everything will be in peace.
Nothing political here.
Thank you. It was really nice meeting you. We'll meet.
I really hope that.
We'll meet
I
for
really
sure.
hope that. I wish you a very
I had to pay a 1,520 Egyptian pounds fine for overstaying in Egypt. But now that we are in the international area of the airport, they do sell Stella and the sandwich. I just finished editing and publishing a Bazaar perfume to pick up girls, and now we got around to the flight. So I am inside the plane. I love it. They're giving us a toothpaste and here, toothbrush. Ethiopian socks too. Fantastic. Headsets. We got 3 seats. This airplane is empty. It's not so appealing. Of course, guys, this thing is squirted water. Great. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I wish every airline would do that. The moon is so close and so beautiful. Seems like I might be here in the wrong season. Check this out. We made it. It is 1 hour that I'm waiting on visa on arrival. It's funny that I have the Kenyan flag in Ethiopia. The ATMs are just where you take the luggages. Let's get a SIM card. My gosh, we are out of the airport. I got an unlimited SIM card for 1,500 and the airport staff, so accommodating, so nice. Everybody wants to help you. Everybody's coming to give you suggestions. Super approved, Ethiopia. Great job. Amazing job. I'm surprised. Wow, I feel so welcome in this country. Thank you. I think I'm gonna try to do 50 minutes on foot to get to the hotel. The only problem is that the luggage is gonna be heavy, but my goodness, people keep trying helping me. That's really amazing. Wow. I do not know if it is illegal to cross the street this way, but I've been too used to Egypt. I belong to Jesus. To me, guys, walking is the best way to understand a country. But why this weather? Why is it raining? Bananas everywhere. And mango too. What a nice place. By the way, guys, I'm praying that my hotel will let me check in advance. It's like 8 AM and the check-in is at 14, I believe. I do not sleep at the Western Plus, but look how beautiful. Seems almost like bamboos. Man, Ethiopia seems fancy. And I would have never expected the English rain in Africa. Wow. Really wow. Hello.
You need the guest house?
No, thank you.
Very cheap.
Thank you. What it seems to be an Italian shop, tutto gelato. Hello.
Yes?
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
That's good. My camera just crashed. Hopefully it's still working. Who knows? I'm really praying that it is still working. A honey shop, and they have all honey waiting inside this barattoli in italiano. I wonder what they do inside the playhouse. I think it's just a club. I am a bit out of breath. I do not know if the camera is working, but after 1 hour of walking, carrying this mess, we are practically arrived. You always have to wonder, where did I book this hotel? I'm losing my arm. Come on. Hey, you still follow me? No. Yes. Thank you. It's okay, it's okay. No problem. Yes. We're arrived. Hello. Would it be possible to do an early check-in? It took me 1 hour to get here by walking, probably 10 minutes by car. But finally we are here, and I'm already super happy that I do have a table where to edit these videos. What else do we have? We do have a mirror. Okay, nice. We do have water, a boiler, which is super useful. What else? We have a bed. I think I need to sleep. I didn't sleep for the whole flight. Then let's go into the toilet. Pretty nice, modern, very clean. I look totally destroyed. And let's check the shower. Oh, a spaghetti shower. But we do also have a view of the town. And here we go. Suddenly I found better lighting, which is great. I'm very happy about it, but I really need to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. Keep reading and believing in your dreams. See you soon in these Ethiopian adventures.